everything, then it would be not so interesting. Just only that I wanted to say a few words only, and then we can make this quiz, and the case that we have some of this presentation also.
Yes. We'll show you the national anthem because all of them they don't know what is the national anthem. After the quiz, we'll project the national anthem for you with the English translation so you can see what the Russian national anthem is.
So, very good morning to you, dear friends. I believe that the people who didn't arrive today because they are not able to do their brainstorm, and the persons who are next. But be sure that I am not going to fire you. It will be very simple questions, and maybe the simple questions will provoke you to read about the Russian Constitution, to read more about the Russian Constitution, to know more about the culture and the life of Russian people, for which you are studying Russian language. So I am going to start the questions for you. How many years ago the new Constitution of the Russian Federation was created? Give the dates also. Year and date.
It's 1993, 12th December. It was adopted in 12th December and it was taken into force from 25th December 1993.
So exactly how many years ago and how many days ago?
So 10, 20 years, almost 20 years.
Yes, again.
Days. So 20 years.
It is not yet 20 years because tomorrow it will. So it is 19 years and 369 days. Why 369?
Because leap years.
There are 4 leap years. So that's why they are 369. Who was the president of Russia when this new constitution of Russia came into being?
Yeltsin.
Thank you very much. And who is the president of the Russian Federation at present?
Vladimir Putin.
And who is the prime minister of Russia?
Dmitry Medvedev.
Very good. So, and just a simple question, which date of the year is marked as the day of Russian Constitution? And according to the Constitution of Russia, who were the main concerned in the activities of the Russian government?
The president.
Listen on the Russian flag. From the top.
Blue and
Very good. And how many animals are or one can find on the coat of arms of the Russian government? Very good. But there is another one also. Maybe fictitious, but there is a dragon. See there? And can you tell me in which city, in commemoration of the 20th anniversary of the Russian Constitution, is being observed today?
St. Petersburg.
Yes. All of you answer. No, saying anything. In which country and in which city a commemorative function dedicated to the day of Russian Constitution is being celebrated or marked today?
Country and city.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
India, Kolkata.
So these are the very simple questions I plan to ask you, because I know that it will be very difficult for you, because I find that you are all with the great notes and all the things. I know that. That's why I said that very simple thing. You have answered almost everything, and even the last one also answered by you. Just practice it. I think it is not a very...
So they were all reading up how many seats, you know, man. You know, they can ask us how many seats are there.
Definitely, I plan that it should not be tough. Let us all wish the country and the people all the best in their life, the prosperity, the harmony in their life, happiness to the citizen, and free from any threat, outer or interior threats, which is now very much predominant in all countries of the world. So, as we are also experiencing, I believe that being the students of Russian language, you also should think over always for the good cause of friendship between Russia and India, and do whatever you can on your capacity to strengthen this friendship, which will definitely benefit not only us but our future generations. And for that we also work with our own strength. With these words I conclude, but with a sad note before we go to this showing you this Russian national anthem on the screen. I think that we should take or observe 1 minute silence by standing. This morning I got the news that Nelson Mandela has passed away. And you know that we all celebrated his 95th birth anniversary at Lord Kishore in a very big way. So I think we should also show our respect to this great soul. Thank you.
So at least you got to know what it is. You know, the words. At least I saw that at least you go through the English translations and then you know you can see the words. You must know what the words are and what it means. You know, with the English translation. And then, you know, are you all aware that, you know, Mr. Mazika, he was the one who took the video that he's taking. He has taken, and are you all a member of that Gorkhi Sadan, what she'll be able to tell you what exactly. That group, go into the link, you will see he's taken a YouTube, you know, I mean this thing of 20 minutes.
Yeah,
On Facebook. But you know the link is there, but he has already uploaded it on the YouTube. So people can see it on the YouTube. You have that and you also have the Tolstoy. You know how much land does the man require? That has also been put on YouTube now. So we have 2 programs of the institute is there on the YouTube. So every one of you all can just have a look at it, you know.
And a very special request to you that again on 11th of this month at 6 p.m. we are going to have a small gathering on the day of observing the Day of Russian Constitution. So all of you are requested to be present there, so that because it is absolutely a function of Gorkhi Sadan.
Yeah,
So
all
you are
the clubs
requested,
will be
all the
there.
clubs will be
So
there
you know
to
the
be-
institute has to also be represented because it's a part and parcel of.
So please be there on 11th at 6 p.m.
And another thing they have all said, you know, Mr. Mazika, they want to celebrate the New Year, the Russian New Year. So we have decided we will do it on the 15th of January. We'll have the Christmas tree downstairs, no, like we had upstairs. We can just take it upstairs, you know, around let them see what that Yolka is. You know, there the New Year is always with the Christmas tree and they have the, you know, snow maiden and everything. So, because
date, there are 13th is the date, the New Year, Russian New Year.
Yes.
So that is why, because they have the classes accordingly. So 15th,
that's why we did it on the, because we can't do it earlier. We can do it between 7th and 13th.
No, the time was 13. Why not 15?
On the 13th. Okay.
Yesterday, what is the
Monday.
13th is a Monday. Okay, we can always. Okay.
So you put on the dates.
on the day? Yes.
That will be also interesting for the students.
We just do that and you know, so because yesterday they were after me, no ma, we want the New Year celebration, New Year. I said other things they don't want to come, but for New Year they all want to come. I said okay, we will have the New Year, at least we get to see what the New Year. Last time it was very nice, we had the New Year's and we had at least to get to, you know, experience the different programs. Yes, they have not, but you know the others, you know, they have something in April, we have that Maslenitsa, you know, when they make those pancakes. But last time, you know, the students made sure they told Mr. Mazika, no, we want to have the pancakes in December only, January only. Because, you know, they didn't want to wait till April. They said, no, we want, you know, they make those pancakes because it is the season, the spring, you know, after the winter, the spring comes in, that's also it. We'll try and celebrate these so that at least you know the difference, you know, programs and different this thing they have. Because whatever we have in Christmas, they have all in New Year. You know, like the Santa Claus, they have Gates Maros, that is called the Father Frost is there. Then they have the Snow Maiden, and then they have the Christmas this thing, and then you should see in the Kremlin chimes, you know, when it just rings 12 o'clock, they all go with champagne bottles, and you know, it is celebrated, and they have fireworks, so all that is there. We will see, we can show you something on that. And maybe that day, you know, we can show you. And another thing in January, will be January we are celebrating Sochi, Mr. Mazika.
No, we have to
Huh?
start beginning.
You can start, yes.
In January, no?
Usually it is opening in February.
Yes.
In February?
Yes.
In January, you know that about the
Winter
Sochi.
Olympics.
Maybe we will have a small quiz sort of a thing and show you this thing of the Sochi Olympics, the Winter Olympics.
Okay.
And just go through, huh?
Why again it will be quiz?
No, but that is the only way you are come to know different. Huh?
That will be related to sports only.
Sports only.
Everyone is interested
Oh,
there.
see, now everybody is interested in sports.
And
Okay.
include the two.
In fact, we can have on the sports of Russia. You know, Russian-
2018, ma'am, the World Cup will be there, so that will be a very big event.
So the answer is there.
Okay, we'll have sports quiz. You all say
But
whatever.
this course is not available in India.
No.
Probably somewhere, no, some ski.
Yes, we do have. We have in Shimla.
No, yeah.
Shimla and Kashmir we
Yeah,
have.
yeah.
But no skating, because skating is not
we are
there.
not participating in the Olympic Games. India is not
No,
participating.
because we don't have, very few people have. But you know, we will show you, we are taking, we have just done one, this thing on figure skating championship, 40 minutes. We have just done a video which we are taking with us, to Manipur, and we bring it back. It's a wonderful presentation that we have managed to
It's a
come
very
to.
good exhibition.
Yes, a very good exhibition on Sochi, and you can see that, because they are very famous for their
পুরোটা সেটা আছে ওটাকে ক্লিপ করে রাখা যাবে